Ever fancied a trip to the UK? It's not all just fish and chips and rainy days, you know. The UK packs a serious scenic punch, with mountains, moors, dramatic coastlines, and picture-perfect villages that look like they leapt straight out of a storybook. We're talking dramatic mountains in Scotland that'll make you feel like you're on another planet, and crystal-clear lakes in England that are perfect for a leisurely paddle. And let's not forget the charming little towns and villages that dot the countryside, all bursting with history and local secrets. Whether you're a hiker, a photographer on the hunt for the perfect landscape shot, or simply someone who appreciates breathtaking views, this video has you covered. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore the 12 fantastic scenic areas in United Kingdom. Number 1. Lake District. It's a sprawling national park and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Lake District is one of the most beautiful and iconic places you can visit, especially if you're into stunning landscapes and outdoor adventures. The region is home to some of the UK's largest and most well-known lakes, like Lake Windermere. These lakes offer plenty of opportunities for activities such as boating, fishing, and simply soaking in the views. The surrounding mountains, including Scafell Pike, the highest peak in England, are perfect for hiking. This place isn't just about the scenery, although it is undeniably stunning. Several charming market towns dot the area. The Lake District's location on the northwest coast of England means it receives a fair amount of rain, making the landscape lush and green. The Lake District offers a perfect escape into nature and is an ideal spot for anyone looking to connect with the beauty of the English countryside. Number 2. Isle of Skye. The Isle of Skye, located off the west coast of mainland Scotland, is a land of dramatic landscapes, rich history, and enchanting beauty. It is the largest island in the Inner Hebrides, renowned for its rugged terrain, picturesque villages, and captivating myths. The island's heart is mountainous, with the Quillan Range taking center stage. Often called the Scottish Alps due to their rugged peaks and challenging terrain, the Quillan provides a playground for experienced hikers and climbers. The Isle of Skye is steeped in history and culture, with a heritage that stretches back thousands of years. The natural beauty and cultural richness have also inspired countless artists, writers, and filmmakers. Number 3. Jurassic Coast. The Jurassic Coast is one of the most amazing places to visit, especially if you're a fan of stunning landscapes and rich history. Stretching about 95 miles from East Devon to Dorset, this coastline is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its jaw-dropping natural beauty and fascinating geological significance. It's a place where you can literally walk through millions of years of Earth's history. The coast is home to some iconic landmarks like Durdle Door, a stunning limestone arch, and Old Hairy Rocks, which are striking white chalk stacks that jut out from the sea. What's even cooler is that this place is a fossil hunter's dream, where you can find fossils from the Mesozoic era, including dinosaur bones and ancient sea creatures. Apart from the history, the Jurassic Coast offers incredible views. Overall, the Jurassic Coast is a must-see if you want to experience the perfect blend of nature, history, and adventure all in one place. Number 4. Orkney Islands. The Orkney Islands in Scotland are a stunning and unique part of the country. They offer a mix of wild landscapes, rich history, and a peaceful atmosphere that's perfect for those who love nature and adventure. Located off the northeastern coast of Scotland, this archipelago consists of around 70 islands, only about 20 of which are inhabited. Orkney is famous for its dramatic coastal cliffs, sweeping beaches, and rugged hills, all surrounded by the North Sea. But what makes Orkney stand out is its incredible history, especially the ancient sites that date back thousands of years. One of the most famous spots is Skye, a prehistoric village older than the Great Pyramids of Egypt and offering a glimpse into life during the Neolithic era. There's also the Ring of Brodga, a mysterious stone circle that has stood for over 4,000 years. Number 5. Cotswolds. This picturesque region in the heart of England is known for its stunning natural beauty and charming, peaceful atmosphere. Stretching across several counties like Gloucestershire, Oxfordshire, and Warwickshire, the area is characterized by rolling hills, lush green fields, and stone cottages that give it a timeless, almost fairy tale-like quality. Think of honey-colored stone cottages, winding country lanes, and endless green fields that look like they've been lifted straight out of a storybook. For history buffs, the area has plenty to offer too. From ancient stone buildings to places like Blenheim Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The area's natural beauty and historical landmarks make it a popular spot for a relaxing weekend getaway or a peaceful retreat to recharge. Number 6. Snowdonia. Snowdonia in Wales is an absolute gem for nature lovers and adventure seekers, offering some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the UK. The landscape here is as wild as it is beautiful, with misty mountains and windswept hills that seem to hold ancient secrets. The highlight of the area is Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales, which attracts hikers and climbers from all over, offering various trails with stunning views over the surrounding mountains and valleys. But Snowdonia isn't just a place for those who seek adventure. It's a place where the elements collide in such a powerful way that you feel both humbled and invigorated by the landscape. The villages scattered throughout Snowdonia add a sense of charm with their stone cottages, winding streets, and quiet corners where you can pause and take it all in. Number 7. Cornwall. Cornwall, England's southwestern gem, is a dreamy coastal escape packed with dramatic cliffs, golden beaches, and charming seaside villages. Known for its wild, windswept beauty, this region boasts some of the UK's most stunning scenery. Think turquoise waters, rugged headlands, and hidden coves perfect for surfing or just soaking up the sun. The region's vibrant seaside towns and fishing villages like Polperro are full of charm, with narrow streets and an artistic heritage that has inspired countless artists. If you love history, you can visit Tintagel Castle. The castle, perched dramatically on the cliffs, is one of the most famous spots. It is said to be the birthplace of King Arthur, adding an element of mystery and legend to the landscape. Cornwall is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the beauty of the English countryside and coastline. Number 8. Mourne Mountains. The Mourne Mountains in Northern Ireland are a hidden gem for anyone who loves the great outdoors. This beautiful mountain range is known for its rugged peaks, rolling hills, and picturesque valleys, all set against a backdrop of scenic coastline. The Mournes are famous for their dramatic, almost mystical appearance, with towering granite peaks like Slieve Donard, the highest mountain in the range, which stands proudly at 850 meters. The area is perfect for hiking, with a variety of trails that range from easy walks to more challenging climbs, all offering incredible views over the surrounding countryside. The Mourne Wall, a historic stone structure that winds its way through the peaks, stands as a testament to the timeless connection between humans and this untamed landscape. The Mournes are steeped in legend, with tales of giants and gods whispering through the winds that howl across the land. Number 9. Yorkshire Dales. This stunning place located in the north of England are known for their beautiful and varied landscapes, making it one of the most scenic areas in the country. The Dales are famous for their lush greenery, dotted with picturesque stone-built villages and farms, creating an idyllic countryside atmosphere. The region is also known for its iconic features, such as the dry stone walls, which are a hallmark of the landscape, and its abundance of wildlife, including various bird species and wildflowers. With its rich history, peaceful environment, and scenic beauty, the Yorkshire Dales is an ideal destination for those looking to experience the best of England's countryside. Number 10. Gower. As the first designated area of outstanding natural beauty, AONB in the UK, Gower is known for its dramatic cliffs, golden beaches, and rolling countryside. The peninsula is famous for its stunning beaches, such as Rosyth Bay, often considered one of the best beaches in the UK. With its vast sandy stretch and crystal-clear waters, it is a must-visit destination. Gower's coastline is dotted with charming villages, which offer a taste of traditional Welsh seaside life, complete with cozy cafes, local shops, and beautiful views. The Gower is also home to a variety of wildlife, including seabirds, wildflowers, and marine life along its coastline. Number 11. Seven Sisters. The Seven Sisters is known for its dramatic chalk cliffs, which rise sharply from the sea and are stark white against the backdrop of a vivid blue sky. The cliffs, part of the South Downs National Park, are named after the 7 distinct hills that line the coast, creating a striking formation that has become a symbol of England's natural beauty. This place offers visitors a chance to explore miles of walking trails that wind through lush meadows and along the cliff tops, providing breathtaking views of the English Channel. The nearby village of Burling Gap offers a perfect spot to take in the views, and the beach below the cliffs is ideal for those wanting to enjoy the sea and its natural surroundings. The cliffs are a popular destination for nature lovers and have a fascinating history, with remnants of World War II defenses and ancient coastal features that tell the story of England's past. Number 12. Giant's Causeway. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its stunning geological formation, made up of around 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, which were formed millions of years ago by volcanic activity. The hexagonal-shaped columns rising from the sea create a surreal and almost otherworldly landscape that has captivated visitors for centuries. The Giant's Causeway has inspired countless myths and legends, the most famous of which tells the tale of the giant Finn McCool, who is said to have built the causeway to reach Scotland. Beyond its mythical allure, the site is a paradise for geology enthusiasts, with its unique rock formations and fascinating history that offer insights into the Earth's ancient past. Visitors can explore the site by walking along the well-maintained trails, which offer breathtaking views of the coastline and the famous columns.